Merry Christmas!
Yeah, open
Christmas.
Venus gift.
So it's
And
opening
Daddy's
gifts.
gift.
It's 25, right? Okay, so wow, what is this?
These are magnet blocks you can build with. Ooh.
Wow, nice. Nice. What? Oh yeah, it's cute. So my sailor super love love from Luigi. Huh? What is this? Ayun ka! Tingnan nyo guys yung mukha niya. So hindi niya na-expect na mag-unboxing. Ayun ka talaga kung ano nang bibili mo na. So ito ang
Sukat mo. Sakto sa suot mo.
What's this, Baylan? Can you explain this one?
Huh?
What is this?
Oh, that's a holder for all the pictures. You can tape it there.
Oh, really?
All the memories.
Oh, wow. This is cute. This is from Billion to mom and dad. So, naging creative na siya ngayon. This, from Billion to mom. I love you, mom. What's this, Billion?
This is you while taking me care.
Taking care of you. Ang arte. I love you too. Billion? Oh, wow. What is this? From Billion to mom. Love Louie. Billion. Oh, wow. It's cute.
Did you buy that, baby?
Oh,
What?
guys, that's cute.
Yeah.
Billion as a gift for me.
Okay, what's
This
that?
one. From Billion to Dad. Wow! There's a amethyst stone. It's color white.
It's
I'm
a
gonna put it
stone.
there. There's a $5 from my son.
Wow.
Mwah.
Good
Thanks.
job.
Oh,
Wow.
there's a heart.
There's a heart.
Yeah,
That's
love
nice.
you. Thank you.
Okay, Billion next.
To Louis Billion from Mommy and Daddy.
Okay. Come on.
Legos!
Oh, wow. Show it to them. Hmm. Natatawa siya, guys. So, kalokohan talaga yung ano niya. Ano naman ako dito. Merry Christmas. Boss. Ano na naman to, Daddy? Favorite color ko. Ano to, Daddy? Pantulog.
Tulog.
Tuto ka na mag-online.
Kasha kaya sige.
Siyempre, kasha. Parang maliita, parang
Masarap ka ng pantulog. May
parang
hindi ka sa
ano
ganyan
to,
sa silk-silk, di ba?
pwede.
Okay. 2 billion from Mommy and Daddy.
Okay. What's that?
Mr. Beast!
Oh, wow. Show it to them. Let me see this.
I know this toy.
You like it?
It's popular to other kids.
Oh, really? Billion to mom and dad.
That's all our
In the
memories.
oh,
Ready?
wow.
Remember in the store,
in
in
the
the beach, in the
in the
shows.
shows,
Remember
in the
movie?
swimming pool. Love you, love you. Mahilig siya gumawa ng mga ganito, guys. This is mine. Oh, wow, parehas kami, guys. Calvin. Mukha naman kasya sa akin. Ano ba to, unisex? Wala, parang masikip. Sweatshirt. So, kasi kailangan ko to ngayon dito. Okay, sige.
It's my favorite brand.
Mommy and Daddy.
Wow.
This
What's that?
eyeballs. Are you expecting me to get new eyes because I have bad eyes?
No, not really. What's that?
What's this?
Oh, that's so cute.
It's snake slime, I think.
And what else? Chemistry set. Wow.
It's
You're gonna make a
expensive.
volcano.
It's
here.
expensive one, Billion.
Huh?
It's a lot of fun for this one. It's a
Okay,
chemistry
look.
thing. You're gonna do experiments.
Boogers. Growing,
You like that,
glowing worms. Pop blood
Uh,
cells. Dissect a brain. Oh my god, make squishy eyeballs. Okay. Meron na ako, guys. Meron na ako. Tingnan natin. What's this? Ano kaya ito? Discount card. Chase. Wow! May Target card na naman ako. Amazon
Look at
Target.
my tower.
Wow! Ew, guys! Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko rin. Kita nyo naman.
And of course, I
To
have
Wife
two for
Zilla.
myself.
Merry Christmas. Hope you love this.
Hey, I'm also the one who gave the
Husband.
gift.
Love.
Ooh.
Guys.
Oh, wow.
So, goodbye Nike. Joke lang.
Oh.
Matibay ang Nike actually.
Still,
Pero,
I have my
ito
gift
ang
for
ganda.
myself.
oh, so meron din siya.
Hey, I give my dad gift too.
Guys.
Cloud Tech Face. Ooh, may
Pinagpipilian ko
bagong
mo.
brand shoes.
Oh, pink! So, anong color nito, Daddy?
The final gift.
Guys, ang cute niya, oh.
Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Merry
Wala
Christmas.
akong gift sa
Merry
kanya.
Christmas.
Ngayon,
for myself.
I always give gifts, pero ngayon talaga this year wala. Next year na lang ako babaon. Try natin to. Ang ganda yung song. OC. OC, like on cloud. Ito yung gamit ng mga ano eh. Healthcare professionals. Nakikita ko halos lahat sila ito. Or yung Hoka. Hoka yung design. I mean yung brand. This is our first OC.
Best
Try mo.
Christmas
Yeah, I mean,
ever.
excuse me. Size 7 yung pa ako.
Mommy.
Magaan sa paa.
Yeah, maganda.
Mommy.
pa ito.
Mommy,
Yeah.
best Christmas ever.
Guys, I love it.
You love your magnetic thing?
Yeah?
On cloud. Mahal siya pero ano, alam ko matibay ito eh. Hindi yata color na ito, Daddy. Cloud Nova 2. Ivory Grenadine. Ayan siya sa ito. Guys, ang ganda.
What you
Super
gonna say?
lightweight. Thank you,
Lightweight.
Daddy.
Love you.
Love you.
Wala talaga akong gift sa kanya.
I have
Sarili ko
gift, I have
lang.
gift for myself.
Ang ganda, guys.
I have gift
Sobrang
for myself.
lightweight niya.
Parehas kami ng kulay.
Hindi tayo magkapares, Daddy.
Parehas yan.
Hindi. Hindi sa akin off-white. Ivory ata to.
Okay.
With grenadine. Yung grenadine na iniisip. Ang
Merry
ganda.
Christmas.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Ang ganda niya, guys, oh. Super.
Yung cash, binuksan mo kagad yung $300.
Ang cash ko?
Oo.
Akin na yun, charit lang. Guys, ang ganda niya. I love it. Look. Next. Meron pa ba?
So,
Ayaw na yung pakita. Wag na lang daw. Hindi
very-
niya ina-expect mag-unbox ako ng mga gifts galing sa kanya. Guys, hindi na
Yan na
pwede.
lang.
Turika, Merry Christmas from your sweet lover. You can resist.
So, second vlog na lang yan.
Okay, guys.
Part 2.
Hindi pwede pakita. I'm sorry.
Part 2.
Yun lang, guys. Ang saya-saya. Wala akong gift kay Daddy. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Sarili ko.
Okay, bye-bye na, baby.
Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Kaya mo, nagtigil si
Happy
Bella
New
ng ano,
Year. Happy
nagustuhan
Christmas,
niya.
everyone. Hope you love our video.
Bye.